Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we're working on the Colorado camper, my little utility trailer that we are turning into a camper. So if you have not seen it yet, go watch our first video. I'll put a link at the very end of this video. So welcome to the second installment of this video. We are going to be doing electrical work, repairing some rotten floor, and getting ready for the next stages after that. It's coming along. So stay tuned. We're going to have some fun. Hello everybody. Upon closer inspection, after we pulled the walls out, there's a small section of floor here. It's got some soft spots right up here by the door, and the weather stripping has gotten old and water's coming down and starting to rot out the floor. So we're going to pull out this section of floor and see if we can't replace this plywood. That way, before we go back and start insulating and putting the paneling walls back in, this will be done. So let's get to it. See here, there's a tie down. I just unbolted it, moved it out of the way. I pulled the one out of the other side. And this right here is the decking. It's kind of hard to see, but it's getting rotten. So I'm trying to pull this board up. It only goes to about right here. You can see the line. So we are going to try to pull it up. Okay, we got it all pulled up. I just got to clean all that up, get some plywood, cut a new piece, and then put the anchors back in, and then we can proceed with the installation. Well, I was going to drill through all the braces and run my electrical in the wall, but because the insulation is 1 inch thick and the gap is 1 inch thick, I don't have the room. So I'm going to leave it up where it was, and that's where they ran a lot of their trailer light wiring. And then I'm just going to drill and poke it down where I had the plugs. We're going to put a piece of trim around the whole middle section to hide all electrical, and so it's not going to matter anyway. So I'm just going to keep kind of the same idea, but we're going to drill down so the wires are more tucked in. Got my safety glasses, 1/2 inch drill. I'm going to drill some holes. Probably should get a long sleeve shirt on. Oh, that's a really good drill bit. Little metal shards kept coming down and burning me and cutting me. That was crazy. Okay, we'll poke the wires through. So the drill bit, I went and got a bigger drill bit and it was not sharp enough to go through the metal. So came up with another plan. Got these straws from Brahms. Thanks to my wife for always stocking up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide these wires into the straw without them stabbing through the side. And the reason for this is we're gonna be shoving these wires through the metal top plate, and we don't want anything to short out. So now we have a pink little safety deal, and what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to shove it in to the hole, and it's going to protect it, and then I'm probably going to tape it or silicone it or something to where it doesn't move. Where's the hole? There it is. This may not be exactly, most people probably say that not gonna work. They make plastic clips to do this stuff, but we're not gonna worry about that. I'd have to go find those, and it's a weekend, so. And I'm not an electrician, so as you can tell, it's gonna keep it protected. And then I could always shorten this, and the plug's gonna go right here. I gotta do this one here, and I've already done this one here, and I've got another one that comes through there, and I've got to do another one down there. So, yes, let's get it done. Got plenty of straws. Thank you, Brahms, and thanks to my wife. There's a hole in the floor up in the front. Is usually where I shove this plug in when I go to campsites. And so the power comes up, it runs all the way across the top, and here's where I ran the pink straws to protect the wire coming in and wire coming out, because we're going to have a plug here. It's for my wife's noise machine and probably other charging cell phones. We're going to put a shelf right here, somewhere in this area down here. Anyways, power goes up above, behind the spring for the roll-up door, and then it comes back down. This is where a bigger plug goes, because it goes to the TV and my CPAP. And then it goes back up again, goes through there into an exterior light. So the electrical is basically done for now. Well, thanks to the wife with her hoarding of straws, we were able to finish our electrical. All we're gonna do now is mount the receptacles, then we're gonna insulate and put this floor in. The floor was 5/8, so I had to go pick that up. So next video, we're gonna put that in, put our insulation in, then we can put these walls back in. So we're really getting there. So thanks for staying tuned. I'm having fun. If it would only quit being so stinking hot out here, I gotta keep going in and cooling off, I tell you what. But the weather's getting better, so hopefully in the next coming videos, we get more done. But thanks for sticking with me. Had a lot of fun working on this. And until the next video, see you guys around, and stay out of trouble. All right, let's go cool off again. I got bugs in my mouth. Anyways.